Hello, welcome everybody, welcome to the stream, game development stream. My name is Sergey, I'm indie game developer. For those who don't know me and my brother, together we create the synthwave sandbox. I call it like a slow narrative sandbox. Oh, so this is like the game development stream. I share about the process, how we are making this thing. Everything was made by us from scratch. So it's kind of like a devlog journal for the future. Plus we are making like this stream, so feel free to join to the stream, interact with us together. The links about this thing is below, and I will show you the review trailer and we will start the development. So in order for you to understand what's going on. Curious about what this game is and who made it? Let me tell you all about it. Hello, my name is Sergey and my brother's name is Alexander. We are indie game developers and we are creating a game called Prohibition Vibe. This is our like a dream project and we are really excited to share about it with you. Prohibition Vibe is an immersive simulator inspired by synthwave and 80s aesthetics. And in this game, really the creativity and freedom come first. For example, want to relax? We have a sandbox game mode with really no objectives and limits. Craving action? Jump into classic shooter game modes with dynamic combat. Love racing? Organize arcade-style races with your friends. Team up with players. Dive into social dynamics. Solve challenges. Outsmart your rivals. That's not all. Prohibition Vibe lets you create your own worlds. We have a built-in map editor, modding support, and even a programming language, so you can bring your ideas to life right in the game. Prohibition Vibe is a game where you can customize everything to your liking. The interface style, the atmosphere, the vehicles, and even the game rules. And best of all, it supports VR and multiplayer. You can not only play, but also create unique sessions with your friends. And you know what's the best part? The game is free. No microtransactions. It's our gift to everyone who loves creative freedom. But to keep the project growing, we need your support. We are completely independent developers with no investors. The entire game was created out of pure passion. If you'd like to help us, consider subscribing to our Patreon or Boosty. Your contribution will help us add new content, improve the game and grow the community. This is just the beginning. If you like the idea, tell your friends, share this video or support us on a Patreon or Boosty. Every step you take is a huge help for us. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon in Prohibition Vibe. Bye. And we are back. So we are back. Okay, let's pull up some music, classic, and we will start. So how you doing? How you doing? Come on, join. Oh, a little bit louder. Tell me if the music is okay. So, good news. Today is okay. So first of all, congratulations. Today is the Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday, and it means we made it. Okay. So I'm just checking the streams just to make sure that everything is in order. Weird. Ah, okay. So I guess we're ready. Okay, what we got the new? First of all, let's congratulate ourselves. We are finally 5.6 version of the engine. Oh yes, the chat is here. Yes, nice. Feel free to type anything, ask me anything. So we are back on 5.6. I was like postponed this update due to I had the problems with the plugin. I use the Rama Victory plugin. This is like super useful plugin. It has a lot of C++ function wrapped with blueprints. Low level like functions and a lot of possibilities to work with files and folders. For some unknown to me reasons, the author, the Rama, like provide no updates for a long period of time. So like I was waiting, and eventually I decided, okay, let's try to do it by myself, and here we are. So I made it, and I converted this thing successfully to 5.6, and I post this thing to the community. So if you need this plugin, feel free to go and download this thing for free. I placed this on my Patreon website, just place to store, and yes, it's completely free. If there will be, I don't know, like maybe this is for the future, who knows, if there will be no updates for like 5.7, probably I will make update by myself again, and I post this thing here as well and on my Patreon. So yes, thank you everybody who is like comment. I really appreciate this thing, and I really appreciate Rama work. This is really helpful tool. So eventually this I made this for 5.6 engine, and I upgraded my game to 5.6, and here we are. We have like completely brand new engine version. So it has like some new UI, kind of like I like it actually. So what was done off stream, the most kind of like important thing I kind of work right now, it's completed, but still, so the specific phase was completed. So let's play the chill music. For example, we have now the meta-human inside the Unreal Engine. This means I have to completely remove my old characters, old skeleton mesh with a new one. Actually, I knew that this will come someday. So previously I also used the meta-human, but right now this thing right in the game. So this is like really useful. For example, here we right now load the meta-human vibe assistant. How the vibe assistant will look like. For some reason it's loading too slow. Don't know why. Anyway, let me close the tabs. Okay, so this is loading very slow. I don't know. Anyway, what else we got? So I successfully okay. Here we are. This is the meta-human. This is like the body of what we have so far. Looking really okay. I find the final look pretty okay. So this is like the vibe assistant. Eventually I will put my own textures and this and that. So I really need meta-human just for have like the decent skeleton. Again. Why? Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Let me check something. I'm super confused because the ads was shown like so often, like I'm super confused. We got like the ads like a minute ago or so. Super confusing. I need to. So like I customized my bot. I use the streamer bot. And now I added the option so when the ads is running, I see like I post the message that ads they are running, so just in case. And now I was like shocked. This runs so often. I had no idea. We will make something about this thing. I promise you. Okay. Next thing. So we will have like I use the metahuman in order to have like the decent skeleton, like the rig. Basically like the rig, yes, and the possibility to make some variants of it. So this is like the cool feature. Next thing, I successfully managed to. So I somehow converted the original skeleton to the new skeleton. This has like a little bit problems with animations, like human main. Close other tabs. This has like, I don't know, a weird pose. So if I go to Sandbox, if I go to Sandbox, so like it seems like the skin does not fit the animation, this kind of effect, like it's too tight, like the skin is like too tight for the animation. kind of effect. Okay, here we are. Also, I'm in the process of like optimizing like the game inside of like the structure. So I made some like these things comfortable for myself, like combined the layers, I would say, over the map, and created a couple codes to have the completed view. So for example, right now this is like the completed view. Of course there will be even more things. Just show you. Okay, let's move to the animation. So just show you like the animation, how this works. So we should have somewhere, yes, like this is the kernel, or maybe not. Anyway, okay, anyway, this, so I hope I will fix this thing. I have the idea like this is something like with retargeting system. But anyway, I'm ready to create my own animation, so I'm like fully prepared for this thing. As for the proportion for the body, I hope like this, I think and hope. The face is weird. Actually weird. But as for the body, I guess the proportions, they are okay. So what next? What else we got? Wipe switches. So I made couple new updates. Like for example, these character customization. Previously we got like 3 of them, 3 presets. Now we got like the custom one. The same as like with the light. So we can actually have like the full control over the customization. We can select the colors what we want. This is a feature for like for subscribers on Twitch and Patreon. So you can customize this in any way you would like to see. And basically the same apply. The same feature, now we have achievement earned. Okay, we have like with these lights, with these specific lights. I guess palm view. Yes, the same for the palms. The same for the palms. We can have like these palms. And the same goes to the fireplace. So let me add some wipe points. Okay, fireplace. We can have like the different variations, let's say. Green, make it super green. Just like a random. And we have like the different colors. The same goes to like the launchers and new like palm view. For example, these things. We can have like the bark for the palms, so the same for the leaves. Plus now we have like the bush colors, bush emissive, so we can increase the existing emissive color. What was that? I have like the stocked. Oh my god. So I had no idea what was that. So first of all, I would love to check the ads. I feel like we have too many of them. Like I'm not sure. Okay, this should be not so often. Okay. Go back. Oh, Sir Puffin, hello. I see you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the lurk, if you're willing for. So I'm just showing you the progress. So we got like 5.6 updated. I compiled the plugin by myself and leave this plugin for the community. For everyone who needs this thing, they can grab this thing. And if they use the rammer as I do, they can download this plugin for free. And also, next thing we got like the meta-human in the game. So we got like a little bit new skeletal mesh, the shape of the character. And this is a little bit weird, like I don't know, something wrong with animation. Like it seems like the character is like shrink to the back position. But anyway, we will fix this thing. Next thing, I've added extra customization options. So right now the light, the fireplace has like these 3 colors, and we can actually customize each of them. So like we got like the list of the parameters on the left. So the same thing we have for the launchers, for these palms, for the light, for the character customization, and for the palm view, like this thing. We can have like the palms below. We can colorize them, increase the color, so we can have something like this. For the leaves. Okay, and apply. Sure, why not? So we can have like these style kind of launchers. The same for the launchers. We have like one color and we can set any like yellow or something like this. Yes, sure, why not yellow? So let's make it 0.5. Yes, yeah, okay. Apply. So I guess later we will add the physical interaction, like we actually will be able to push the leaves. We know how to do it. We just like really have not focus on this thing right now. However, this thing is working like kind of here. So if probably you should see like I pushing these leaves. They move a little bit. So yes, I also checked these quests, the first level map. This works. The quest, they are working, and I think we will step on the second map, and I will try to remake the second quest. So like I probably try to figure out what to do. I also want to have like these vibes, this vibe customization. So the vibe assistant, why the I have a question, why the scrap is not moving, like stand still. What's going on? We will figure out this thing. Random roll. Oh, okay. Weird. So yes, I know why. So we will fix this crap. What else I can say? The 5.6, the lumens, they are kind of like more stable, but me and my brother, we still like we have like the conversation that it has like the problems on a long distance. How can I explain that? Probably you have like no noticed, but it's a little bit like shake, flow, something like that. This kind of effect. Personally, I completely like don't see this effect. I just like I'm okay. I have no like problems with this effect. However, my brother, it's uncomfortable for him, so he is like looking for solution to stabilize this thing. Okay, so anyway, like the overall, I would say the lighting is getting better. 0.6, and the things I made, like, so we have like the customization, the advanced customization. So I spent like the previous weeks making the tools, so we can actually have customization for the customization. So like previously we got like the zero color. Now we have like something like this, maybe this. Okay, I need to actually add some more variety, but now we have like the extra advanced customization, so we can actually set like the colors and the stuff, so we can create some cool new things. And of course apply, save, and when we load the game, and again the ads. I'm super confused. Sorry for the ads, like, I don't know. At least I see the timer. Don't know what to say. I feel like too often. Like, wow. Okay, so we got like the metahuman, the new metahuman, and basically that's it. So I need to make this crab walking, and we will start making the second map, like the quest for the second map. So yes, the final look, the spoiler, how this will look like, the final atmosphere will be something like this, you know. The synthwave 80s art deco. So this thing we can delete. Okay. File save all. Yes, the crap. Random roaming. AI main. Character AI main. No, this should not be here. Set random roaming. Stop random roaming. This is like from my old refractor process. I will put this thing to the character main, not just character AI. But I have like this sub thing, like this. For the just random roaming, I don't need to have like any state trees, behavior trees. I just used like the simple AI brain. Okay. I will use the simple blueprint logic, like as simple as that. We don't have the component, so we just get component by class AI brain, like this, random AI movement, so we get like our location. After that we just take the location so this I got like the index check. I guess I removed the index somehow. The point here, okay, the dispatcher AI move to result, call success, and failed. I use this thing to assign the logic if needed. So, and here we have like this simple logic in case if I want to ignore the up surface, like for example, I have like the vacuum cleaner and the crab, yes, and I think this might be like not really cool if the crab will walk to the stairs. So right now I will use this logic. So we get our crab, this Z location, and the location where we need to be, our current location, and like random near this location move to this thing. What is this? I don't remember. This is probably something like, okay, random roaming, compile. Grab, compile. Okay, so this is like simple logic. So this thing, when we overlap the crab like breaks. Let's organize this a little bit. And basically this is like the cycle, nothing really crazy. And let's check the crab. The position, like the customization, the options, they should be here by default. So palm view, let's put these purple ones. Restart the music. So yes, we are so back. What? I was so confused why I have two of them. Because I actually placed just crab. So one crab is spawned by AI spawner, the second one I just placed this thing. So we can step on it, yes. Step on it, yes. Nice, this works. The arrow, ignore them, these are from the presets. I have some problem with like first time preset showing and hiding. This will be like fixed, of course. My current kind of goal is to push the second map. So we're going to the second map. Map, Sandbox, training grounds. Loading. I realized like the loading is like much longer than it was before. I have no idea why, but maybe this is definitely after the 5.6. And yes, by the way, boom, I know you're lurking there. If you want, if you're using like the Rama, some sort of Rama plugin, or you might use this thing, I find this is really useful tool. A lot of C++ function wrapped into the blueprints. This actually might boost your own like VTuber, your software, so you can create even more cool things on top of your existing one. So the point I'm telling you, because I use this Rama plugin creating cool things. Yes. So I personally use this plugin a lot, and this is like health life-saving plugin for me. I like have like almost zero knowledge in C++, so I use this thing a lot. The Rama, he stopped updating this plugin for no reason, so I decided to step in and I converted this to by myself, like to 5.6. So yes, I stepped into C++ a little bit, and here we are. We have like I have like the 5.6, the plugin, and the engine version. So if you're willing to try, I really recommend you. So like, what we got, like victory, read files, read strings from files, save string to files, custom config, set the custom configs, what else, like sorting things, like a lot of things, like convert pixels to like to the memory to like to the textures, some math things like capturing images. Like mostly I use this thing for the file read and write. So the things that you see, like I have built in the game editor. So like in real time, like we can create the things. Actor details, like I'm flying too much. Like, okay, so we can in real time change like the colors, the materials, and add the objects, you know, new emissive palms. We can save these things, delete, apply the new materials. So for example, we can add something like grid, I don't know, grid fate, what is this? So we can have like this grid. We can set the other parameters like scale time. Why I'm floating so much? This is actually disturbing me. This was not the case before 5.6. They probably remake some character movement, fly movement things, parameters. And yes, and here we are. We got like this thing in real time, and we can actually save this thing to the save files. And Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V from anywhere. So I use the Rama to save these files, like locally, the parameters. So this is like the second map. This map lacks of any details actually. This is like the map for the showing the possibilities of the other game modes. The other game modes, such as the tournament game mode. If maybe you are familiar with Unreal Tournament, this kind of like boomer shooter, like the father of any modern shooters, kind of. Of course, like the Quake as well, like. But the Unreal Tournament, it has or had a lot of cool variety game modes. So like capture the flag, these kind of stuff, capture the points, destroy the points, team deathmatch. So we will learn how to use these weapons and this stuff here. And after that, work in progress, the social deduction game mode. So we like investigate like the case, and we need to find the traitors. Who are they? Like AI, ally, you know, this kind of stuff. And my goal is to like use this map as training polygon. So each time when I add new features, the player can freely go to this. The add timer set to 0, and we have no ads. Interesting. Never mind. So each time player, each time when I add new feature, player can go back to this location. Oh, interesting, interesting. Go back to this location and test these features. So this is kind of like the Tron style, a little bit. Again, still like zero any visuals. I find like I have like the vision, my brother has like the details. So I'm waiting when he arrives to work with this map. So far, like the goal for this map, I also try to like implement like the vibe customization. This whole map also will be customizable. And we'll learn how to navigate here, like use the jump pads, how to climb, jump, crouch, prone, cover. What else like we got? Like use actors interaction, lock picking, shadow, like passwords, shadow indicator. Here I have like the plans, but still like, oh yes, similar shader. And here we have like grabbing objects. I need to make this thing, so I have like this in my plans like for a long time. So yes, the quest, this everything is actually works. We learn how to do this thing, we play these game modes, and after that we fight with like the boss, but I find like this is too overwhelming, like a lot of information for the player, and I want to kind of shrink this thing and let player have an option to try this thing out, or like move back to the Vibe City and follow the storyline. The storyline, we are looking for the Code of Freedom. So, like, this is kind of a little bit philosophy, but Sup, Lebo? Oh, hello. Hello, comrade. How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm super great, super great. So I'm just... Sure, this is like the second map I was right now. Good, good. Start on Friday. Yes, start on Friday. Friday is here. Evening, I guess. Yes, kind of. I have like the evening. Weekend vibes. Oh yes. Oh yes, the vibes. The vibes. The vibes. You probably haven't seen much. So the game, I have like the combination of synthwave, art deco, and the Tron style. So this is like the second map is like the Tron style. I'm just like starting working on this thing. So there will be like even more. Here we learn how to advance movement, like climbing, crouching, covering system. Next thing we learn all Unreal Tournament mechanics, like capture the flag, assault, domination, use like 10 weapons, this and that stuff. And after that we learn the social deduction. So we will find who is like the traitor, who is like ally, and investigate the case. And like something like Among Us, like basically, like if I want to explain in 2 words. And the feature of the game, we build like the vibe. So we have like the Vibe City. this random atmosphere. Huh, I have like 2 atmosphere. Am I crazy? Yes, we have 2 atmosphere. Now we have 1. So we have like this vibe. We can change the atmosphere, customize it in any way like we want. So I just switch between the presets, but I have like built-in options, so you can put like any color, like any shape, and this and that. So we like building this environment. So actually we start like empty. So we have something like this. And eventually, step by step, we learn like the storyline. We learn like what happened, what we are going through, this and that, and eventually we build like this environment to like this. And we also customize each element. So like we want, like we can put different shape, different color, this kind of stuff. And eventually we will have like this gigantic city. So everything will be customized, and I will bring up layers of gameplay on top of the existing ones. So a lot of ideas. Oh yes, and let me show you how this works a little bit. So here we are, we have like the vibe, of course, music. We have like the character customization. So here we are, this is us. We can set cool poses, like just to watch us. Female, male, set the Karl customization options, the advanced customization, so we can have something like this, you know, glass opacity, glass emissive, back female, like this kind of stuff. Skin, sure, customized like in any way you want. Like Manhattan style, you know, why not? So this is like our characters and all AI. So the lore of the game, that this game knows that this is the game and you are the player. So it's kind of like fifth wall breaking. And on top of that, so this thing is not working, like, because I broke some things intentionally. We need to wait a little bit. So the customization, the advanced customization. So we built like these presets, so we can select from existing ones, or we can like completely create our own vibe. So like have whatever you want. And this actually applies to anything, like windows, lighting color, these palms, probably like the palms shape in the future. Like here we are, like we can customize the color of the fireplace, these loungers, and everything is interactable. So we can like enable, disable the light, the fireplace. We can have like a rest, but again, I broke something. And basically we built the vibe. Again, like anything customized in any way you want. And this is in real time. So, and plus to the existing features, let me check this stream. Plus to the existing features, we have built in a game editor, vibe editor I call it. So we can, and this works in multiplayer. So in this game mode, game editor mode, we can actually change the atmosphere. We can have something like, we can select the presets like it was before, or we can change like anything, like for example sky. Let's change this to the purple, and you know, just random things like save user custom presets. So I'm not focused on this right now. I'm just showing like this has like everything is like custom made preset, but you can override them and make your own. And this is not all. We can have like, we can add some extra object on the map. So like the starting from the simple geometry, like vegetation, some interactable objects, extra palms, change the materials. Why I have like this level up always? Change the materials of the things, so make it like black. Here we have like blue, or maybe, you know what, add the emissive to this thing. Emissive, no, opacity, digital. Now we have like this thing, and make this thing even brighter, so much brighter. Yes, we love the bright things. Exit from the editor, and here we are. So I kind of override the world and the rules. So we can actually override the game rules, create like low gravity and this kind of stuff. And in general, this is a slow narrative sandbox and multiplayer. So you can actually play the storyline together with someone, replay this storyline, and you got like, you interact with everything in this world, like affirmation, like cheers, I'm worthy of love, something like that. Open this window, sure. Try to break this window, like run and jump to it. This thing, no, this thing is broken right now. Okay, enable, disable like the light, turn on, off. So like everything is interactable, and you will get the vibe or interact on this thing, and you spend like the vibe to change the environment. And step by step, layer by layer, you build your own like world, and you progress the storyline. Atmosphere, set, night. What else we got? Synth night. We can do a lot of things. Like here we can add some sharpen thing, you know, make it -2. We can actually make this blurry, funny, make it super sharpen, why not? Actually, funny thing, oh yes, by the way, I will show you the approximate style. We can even make this noir, why not? Let me check the stream. Yes, so the classic level, which filled with most details so far, the synth villa. So I will show you like this style. So this is like the digital world. These characters, they are the programs. They know that they are the programs and you are the player. And yes, kind of fifth wall. Here we are. Here we are, the scene villa, the approximate style. How this like eventually will look like. Ads in process. Nice timing. We got like 20 seconds. Actually, before that, so yes, the ads should be gone. Actually, we got like the affiliate. Thank you, Boolean. His lurk made breakthrough. I really appreciate. Really amazing guy. I know Conrad, you know him. Boom, you should also know him. I guess this is like the most famous developer we got here on Twitch. Yes, the ads, like I have no idea why they're so often goals right now. I'm not sure. So anyway, let's continue. This is like the style of the game. The style is the combination of the synthwave and art deco. So these things were made by my brother. So this is like how the game will look like eventually. And again, everything is customizable. You will be able to select and customize anything, create, let's say, the layers, I would say. You will be able to create the layers, and basically these layers, they have like connection to the Steam Workshop. You can grab someone's work, you know, install to the game and have something your own. Yes. So I'm glad I was able to express the style. Hope you like it. Sorry for the mic. So here we are. I need to rewrite the quest. Why I have two of them? Vibe City. So this is the quest. So right now, get ready. Maybe you should lurk, I don't know, but this is gonna be like the work. Not too much visual, I guess, so just saying. So the quest, when the quest starts, we spawn the wipe assistant, and here we are. Before that, we had like the dialogue by the Colonel. I really want to move this thing to the wipe assistant, so we will work with the dialogue system. Wipe assistant, where you are? Where are you? Here you are. These maybe I can customize this thing a little bit. So you probably see like this skeletal mesh has some problems, like this does not fit, kind of. How? Edit skeleton now. Maybe this thing. Preview. Wipe assistant. Body. Blend. As far as I remember, there should be option to like like scale animation to the bone, these kind of stuff. Show retarget, yes, show retarget options, animation relative, maybe scaled. What's the difference? Forward. I lost this animation. Needs to find this thing. What? What? Weird. Main state, locomotion, locomotion, walk pose, F2, walk pose, F2, okay, F2. Animation scaled. Wait a second. I thought there was like the root you could. Oh yes, they changed to like this. Huh? There was an option to like apply this thing on everything. Why I have to make this thing like on each specific? Anyway, like, okay. Skeleton, relative, scale, animation. This is weird. This is weird. Okay, so never mind. So we'll ignore this thing. So for now, let's focus on the dialogue. Dialogue actor, wipe assistant. Close everything except the dialogue. So how are you? Boom, did you make the mega boom? You implemented the pills? Some sort of the new feature. Dialog data tables. Dialog Vibe Assistant. Vibe Assistant training grounds. Training grounds. Exit. I will go get device switcher. You already have the item. Okay, and welcome. Welcome to train. Start training grounds quest. Replica of what? I'm so confused. Like, what's going on? I'm so much ads. This is first time. Something has changed. Like each Rabbit, yo, hello man, hello, how are you? Glad to see you. Glad to see you. Getting better? Or still need a couple of days? How are you, man? How are you? Yeah, but still tired. I think you need just 2 days, 2 more days. On Monday you'll be like fresh. Like you'll be fine. I guarantee you'll be fine. Like just 2 days. Yeah, let's go. Yes, 2 days and you will be just fine. So, and I start remaking the second quest. So I get rid of so I put the coach OBS, please don't die. Okay. So I feel like this gonna be better experience if I put the AI Vibe Assistant here as well, and he will play these dialogues instead of just on a background dialogue. Also, I want kind of get rid of these target points, because like each quest, like each playtester, like the dialogue was, first of all, the dialogue, they are too fast. They not quick enough to read what's going on, and after that they get confused. And after like a minute or two, they realize that they need to look at these points. They look left, right, and after that they lost. Almost no player look to the ceiling. Almost like no player. Rabbit, hello, boom, boom. Yes, mega boom, boom. Again, boom, like I tell you, maybe often, maybe not, like I really kind of impressed and in some way proud of you, like you're making like super interesting thing, like the flow of the fantasy, really creative. Thank you, it's a lot of fun. Yes, it's, you know, your character, like, I don't know, like sometimes like it's just like super fun, like something going on, like this, like the bread, the new thing, like something like you shaking this bottle, like every time it, I don't know, this seems to like the like a goofy and fun, a lot of fun. You like definitely like, I don't know how to say like this in English. You got the vibe. You got the vibe. Welcome back. Glad to see you. Okay, Pascal case. I got like feedback. I need to get rid of the Pascal case. Actually, this is kind of the habit because the Unreal Engine, I type everything in Pascal case, so like even now, like in simple texts in my social media, my text is like jumping, like so I kind of trying to get me back to like to be the normal kind of vibe. Yes, indeed. I don't usually do dialogues. I'm the type to skip them also. Yes, and this is like, again, this is like interesting, super interesting puzzle. So for example, first of all, we have the option to skip them, of course. And next thing is like to navigate the player with the environment. So it's also kind of an art. Like usually modern games, they just put like the mark and you're like, okay, I need to go there. But like the old school things, they create like, so I'm not just like the Gosu, like the super knowledgeable person in this area, but I kind of like create these things like pattern, so where we need to go, like what we need to press, like okay, we obviously we need to go there, so the environment should give you the idea where to go, like kind of stuff. So I'm also like trying to focus on this thing. But as for the lore, I would love to explain like the lore. So the Vibe Assistant, he tells you that AI names, subtitles, welcome back. A Vibe Assistant tells you what's going on, that he's your Vibe Assistant, you are the owner of the Vibe, you create the things. So it's just like the narrative, so the game kind of has like the slow flow. There are, for now, at least for now, I see no really rush things like spectacular or something like that. First of all, I am not able to make them right now. Secondly, this is kind of like the game itself, like this opens like through the time and you build everything, you customize this everything, and you can use the pre-existing things, and also you are able to add your own custom things. Like sure, why not to have like this. So this is like in editor, yes, but this also works in the game itself. Okay, so Vibe Assistant, welcome back. Glad to see you. You made it here. Looks like you are doing well. Yes. You just entered the agent's training. Okay, let's training grounds. This is where we sharpen the skills, rediscover abilities, and explore new mechanics and hidden features of the game. Again, like as I said, this put this thing here, and here this is my own dialogue thing structure made like by myself. We can put the animation play during this dialogue, which AI should play this thing. So I kind of like expanded this thing so we can switch between the cameras, the audio, and basically right now that's it. And the replica type, this can be like kind of bloodline swan system, so this can be like domination, persuasion. So if you have like the talents, you unlock different replicas. And yes, again, this level is will be used to show player mechanics. So I probably, like for example, like the new version, we've added the new weapon. If you're willing to play test this weapon, welcome to the training grounds. So you got like you can test this thing. Okay, so this thing I wrote a long time ago. I know you are in the top shape. But a refresher course will add extra value. But a refresher course will add extra value. Can keep you sharp. I am not sure that I want to have like these things, so I want to kind of add some extra information that this is like hidden features in the game. Like I have kind of internal quota, like 3 or 4 sentences, like the maximum. Like, let's be clear, nobody reads these days. Yeah. Yes, so like my like actual, like when you speak, you get like maximum 3 sentences or what, something like this. Good rule. Okay, anyway, let's build this logic to the Vibe Assistant. So quest system name. So how this quest system name? The quest system name training grounds. Okay. So when we enter the dialogue, if we have like current quest, which is training grounds, we will pick the training grounds dialogue. Should add dolphin jet ski racing time. Yes, why not? Why not? So actually, as I told before, that for example, like the my review trailer, it shows the racing mode. I am just joking, no, don't have to if it's a lot of work. Actually, this is not a lot of work. This a lot of work, but it's kind of half way. It's already there. Vehicle. So let me open vehicle. So here we are. This is like the vehicle. What we have, like this style, like the prototype of the vehicles. So we actually have like the racing mechanics, racing modes, like the laps, even like AI, super basic racing AI. And I also got like the boats. So this boat is just like example. I took this from the Epic marketplace. This was free. I just didn't expect you have stuff ready already. Yes, I have them, but they are disabled right now. They are disabled because I kind of wanted to focus on like actual release. So the racing, this works. It's okay, but I would love to make it better. So, but I disabled this right now. So far, we actually have like the racing game mode. And also we can use the boat to glide on the surface of the water, you know, jet ski, this kind of stuff. With this is in the game, and plus we got like where's the okay, so we can even fly, you know, this kind of stuff. But it's all disabled so far right now, and I never actually talk about this thing. I will bring this oh nice, yes, thank you. This is like without textures right now so far. This is like again from my brother. This worked before, but I disabled this and I broke things intentionally. But hot air balloon 5. Yes, I want to have like the event to fly above the city, you know, this kind of thing. I will bring this back. With hot air balloon I had like the problem with replication, so I got like jitter thing. But eventually I realized how to fix this thing. Yes, I just need the time to bring this back, but it's there. And vehicle, again, vehicle, so the vehicle will be like, right now this is just like the boxes, but eventually we will have like the shapes, like different kind of lines, different shapes, and you can customize. So I have the same customization thing as for the character, for the player character. So we got like the open, we can set like the wheels, set the colors, set like the spoiler, this and that. So yes, so the customization, I also have the customization for the vehicles and for the weapons, as I said. I showed before, like yes, I have like weapon customization as well. And we got like the ads again. Is this like often? I don't know. Oh, you don't get the ads? Huh. Some streamers get ads, but not often. Things just my country. Ah, yes, I guess. You're right. Yes, personally, I also don't get the ads, but as right now, like as a streamer, they forced like by the like they just there. But I'm super confused. Like today, I see like again, maybe I was not aware of it, but I set my bot to notify each time when we run, like when Twitch run ads, and I found like maybe this is like too much. Maybe am I crazy? Like I don't know. So wipe assistant. When this quest is active, we go to training grounds quest. Dialogues. So let's add this to the data table. Dialogues, new dialogue, training grounds, and the reference to the data table. Wipe city, welcome. General. Fine. This is like if nothing happened. If no active quests. This thing, we don't need this thing. This is like loading, blah blah blah, and here we are. Go to okay, training grounds. So this thing is when we start the conversation. Ads again? I'm super confused. I will try to go to my settings. Maybe I can do something about them. Like I really feel like too much. Okay, we have like how many minutes? The minimum thing like 30 seconds per hour. This allows, so I put this thing to the minimum. I hope this will. Very roll. What's the story behind that fan emote? Because it's funny. Yes, actually, this funny. Your emotes, boom, they like. This cat. I don't know. This is like funny. Oh, cute. And like this at the same time, like this goes like the cognitive dissonance, like the cat is angry, but this looks so cute, like basically like the all cats. And you look at them and you clearly say that the cat is angry, and you're like, oh, you're so cute, you're so angry. You nailed the art style. You nailed the art style. I don't know, it's almost like impossible to be angry on cats and kind of be really serious with them. It looks easy to be tough. Okay, so this should be like this. Get beat up a lot. Yes, yes. Actually, boom. You are indeed on stream. Like your cat is actually getting beaten a lot, like baseball, like the tires, even like by the bread, by the bus. You really have the amazing art style, boom. Interesting, like fun to watch. You nailed this thing. So when I start this thing, I clear anything just for the sake of the sanity. Clear all replicas. I started like commenting for myself because I've like the project is growing and I like sometimes what's going on. So the quest training grounds, kernel grid player. Okay, let's leave this thing. Like I will not change the system name. Is this thing is like not started, then I will select this replica, call it start training ground quest, and play it. And after we finish the playing, we set like this. We said that we finished this state, kernel grid player to true, update the data, and show new replica. Replica, let's call it what is this place? What is this place? And exit. And exit. Dialogue start. What is this place? Again, Pascal case, oh my god. Replica gonna be like blah 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 blah. And here we are. When we training grounds, when we press exit, we simple close the dialogue. And what's this place? We play and update. Simple as that. So yes, we will test this thing in a minute. Where is the update replica? Here we are. So this will work. Like the chance, the probability is like 90%. I'm not sure about the is this quest is active. Quests. Vibe City, welcome. Huh? I need to go back to the main quest. I guess this. Oh, actually, let's do not do this thing. So we just use. We will use the cheat code. Vibe City, welcome. I will call the function like this one. On begin play, we just simply add this quest as active. Restart the game. The game will write this thing to the data. Why? Okay. So we don't see the wipe assistant. So this works as intended. Quest, yes, training grounds, active quest. Welcome back, glad to see you. You made it here. Looks you are doing well. You just entered the engine's training grounds. This is where we sharpen skills to discover bits and explore the new mechanics and hidden features of the game. What's going on? I'm confused. I was super confused. By the way, I was confused because I showed like the replies before we finished the actual replica. So when this thing is completed, we just update replicas. Yes, we update replicas. Mm-hmm. So now we are making like the mega chain, like mega boom, but mega chain. The mega chain, this just the thing I just invented, but anyway, like here how this looks. So each time when I start the dialogue, I go through this process. I'm just checking the states of the quest. Basically, if this state was finished, then show these replicas. If not, show these. If this quest state or anything was like it has like the certain parameters, certain skill, like conditions, show the specific replicas. So this thing is actually a little bit not efficient in some cases, but this is good in order, in my case, when I constantly overwrite, like I changed that, I changed this and that, and so sometimes it's better to have like recheck everything. So we have like this chain of the logic. Is this thing was completed? We have like the talent and blah blah blah. So we need kind of have the another chain like this again, the chain. And I'm afraid this blueprint might be the huge. The Vibe Assistant might have like a lot of things. So let's think first, let's collapse this to the training grounds. Collapse nodes, training grounds. And actually I get rid of the grid in Unreal Engine, and I've been working with the grid like for ages, and I finally decided to get rid of it, and I'm super happy because I lost the necessity to adjust the blueprints to the grid. This is such relief. Okay, so instead of just update replicas, we show, we hide what is this place, we hide it just in case, and we show, oh no, we don't hide anything. Huh? Okay, so what is this place? What is this place? So this works. What is this place? This that works. But we need a filler. And this order. Filler is like just empty the dialogue. What is this place? Start ring runs. Welcome back. Glad to see you made it here. Looks like you are doing well. You just entered the What is this place? You just entered this thing. Let's say what we can say. Wipe assistant in Russian. Do you want to do a training session? Yes, like this. Close. Do you want to welcome back? So first, welcome back, glad you made it. Do you want to train session? And we're like, what is this place? Enter the training grounds. So we got like 2 sentences, 2 replicas. This place we sharpen the skills, rediscover abilities, features of the game. Let me see what I also tell. Camera calibration thing. So I want to have the new conversation. Okay, first I will make this thing Russian. So I use just the Google to have like the appropriate the grammar. Each time when we add the new, when the developer add the new abilities like in the game and features, this place was designed to playtest these features and abilities, kind of like that. Oh, yes, my bot patron thing. Okay, why not live like this? Every time the developer adds new features to the game, you can test them here. It's really generic. I would love to have something different. Anyway, let's leave it. I'm here to help you, to assist you. The main feature I would love to help you with is like the show you the advanced movement in the game. Okay, so let me show you the beautiful landscape, and I will be typing this on the background, so you have something like to watch. And by the way, so the game is like still not there yet, but I made a cool thing. If you have like the mobile phone, you know what I mean? check this thing out.
Can you believe?
Yes, ads on YouTube. $8K resolution VR video. Okay, for this stream I will put something like 4K. Otherwise we will get the lags. So anyway, like this is like the vibe again. This is like the main menu of the game, and you can actually play this in 360. So if you want to have some sort of meditation, kind of, you know, this might be the cool thing for you. And the thing I told about the mobile phone, like I actually personally really amused how this acts in a mobile phone. So it sounds like something like this. This cool feature. I'm just like out of blue decided to speak about this thing. Let's go. I like the stars. Yes, this is also one of my favorite post-process for the vibe. And this is actually also really looking good in black and white. So if we select the atmosphere to this, the night one. Okay, here we are. And if we also change this to desaturation 1 and sharpen to 1, we will get like this, like super cool looking post-process. Noir. Yes, yes, yes. We can even add like the grain like I don't know, like super old movie kind of like this thing. Cool. Okay, so let's go back to the dialogue. I love you, Google says. Thank you. Nice. I forgot what I was talking. Oh, I forgot my line. What my idea was. I'm here to assist you, like to help you to learn the advanced movement and build the vibe here as well. Again, ads. Okay, okay. I hope you are. I don't know. Like I set the ads to minimum, like so super minimum, like super minimum. Like there are no minimum more. Like the last thing is just disable them completely. Okay, so the translator says the phone. I'm here to help you to learn advanced movement and build a vibe here. Vibe. Now that's correct. Let's create the new replica. What can we do here? What can we do here? What can we do here first? I guess kind of. So this phrase I will call this each time, like, and the wipe assist will give us like the list of what we can play test. Like booms, like for example, okay, now we have like this mode, these things, that and these. So let me know, I will teleport you there and we will try this and that. And by the way, also out of blue, kind of like, I would love to thank you all for being with me. Really appreciate. Like, no problem. Thank you. I feel like I don't know, not alone with my fellow developers. Really appreciate be the part of the development community. Really, each of you is like also have like super amazing things. Like Boom with her cat thing. Conrad, he paint the art style like from by the hand. Like this is like super advanced stuff, like on Godot. Rabbit here also. The PCG, no, not Hulk, PCG generated content. You're really cool with that. No problem, just hanging out. Yes. What is this place? I think I delete this thing. What can we do here? Let's see. Let's see. Yes. I think, again, less information and something like this. Start training grounds. Welcome back. Glad you. Looks you're doing well. Do you want to do a training session? What is this place? You just entered the agent's training grounds. So this is where we sharpen the skills, rediscover abilities and mechanics and hidden features in the game. Okay, after that, what is this place? So the dialogue quest. So I will put the new thing to the quest. Quests, system data, game progress, training grounds, add the new progress. This is gonna be okay, 22, whatever. What is this place? Okay, so I will organize these things a little bit. Custom event on dialogue start, training grounds, and custom event replica play training grounds. And these things, they actually training grounds old. I will collapse these things together. Training grounds. On dialogue start, I will call this thing. I will call this thing here. So I want to have like all at the one place. So I don't need to go this, that, and choose between this or that. So this kind of optimization, this comes like with a time. On the log start. Okay, and after that, replica play. Prepare replica to play. Training grounds. I forgot the function name. Replica play training grounds. Replica play training grounds. And this thing goes inside of this thing. And boom, we have like the specific replica for the specific quest in one collapsed node. And actually I would love to have the same function everywhere, the same structure everywhere. Like get rid of these mega chains of the logic, and on the surface we will have like this smooth and clean, just like this function, and that's it. But this is like for someday tasks. Okay. What is this place? When we play this thing, we're gonna set, we played this thing, we're gonna make sequence. We said that what is this place? We set to completed. So we no longer will be able to see the replica. So before that we need to make sure what is this place. Is this thing not started yet? We show this replica. Actually I need to move them somehow somewhere. If this thing success completed, we just update replicas. Update replicas. We only show like exit and update. We should only show exit. Okay. Oh, by the way, what we can do here. Next thing we will show exit, and what can we do here. And okay, what can we do here? What can we do here? Update replicas. Update replicas. Instead of update replica, I'm gonna call the same thing. What can we do here? Let's see. So we play the dialog line. Play the dialog line, and after that, actually, I'm gonna the logic is gonna be here. I think we can, so like I will populate the list, but right now let's add the state advanced movement initial advanced movement completed, initial advanced movement completed. So I will check, is the initial advanced movement completed? I mean, is not started yet or in the progress. No, not started yet. I'm gonna call like the line like we need to first make the advanced movement before we go anywhere. Some sort of like this kind of logic. After that, like oh, hello there. So here we are. Today we got like capture the flag, assault, domination, like you know, like stealth, and so on. Okay, let me check the stream. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I kind of want to reuse this dialog line, so like I know you are in the shape, but we need to rerun this thing. What else I got? So I'm looking for the text. Yes, the proximity mine. I wanted to play this thing again. I think I'm gonna bounce. Yes, sure. Gonna sleep. Have a good stream. See ya. Yes, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for being with me, and I hope you have a great sleep and evening and night. So yes, get well. You only left 2 days. After 2 days, you're gonna feel super great. Thanks. Yes. See you next time. Bye. A lot of text, and like I'm going through all of them. Look at this to below. Oh yes, this one. I kind of like need a lot of things to do besides that. You know what I think? I also statistics, player statistics. I realized that I kind of want to not give player 100 energy each time when we got like the level up. I feel like this is too OP. So, boom. Here we are. Lens. So I will write this down to somewhere. $69, okay, 70. This is gonna gameplay. Level up. No more gives plus 100 energy. Just, you know. Hey. So I kind of a little bit confused, so we will do other things, other improvements. First, uh-huh. Yes. Okay. I need to open the backup. Version 5.5. I think I just realized why my fly's movement is different right now, because my previous character was human player. Now I moved them to just player, and I guess I need to bring back the values of this character, but I deleted this, so this thing exists only in my backup. Or maybe I could copy this thing from here. Character game editor. Anyway, I will load this thing and I will try to copy this from here. Line. Break in deceleration flying. I guess this one, yes. Okay, player main. Yes, it says to 0. So I set this back to 600. Now my movement speed in a game editor should be just fine. Yes, works. I don't need to load the backup. Footsteps. What about the footsteps? Player main. Human main. Footsteps. I guess I got the problem with footstep, which I have. I need to have the sockets. We have like the new skeleton, and this skeleton obviously missing the sockets. Or maybe not. Put L socket. Wipe assistant body mesh. Tight wood. Yes, I don't have add socket. Put L socket. And maybe 8 minus 8 and put R socket. Minus 8. What? Why it's plus 8? Weird. Okay, so the footsteps they fixed now. We can also add the customization options. Or maybe not. Yes, let's add Sandbox. Wipe city. Wipe city. Light roll, browse, light roll 2. So get local index. Is this thing is equal -1? This means we are trying to get the custom preset. Set actor color. Make light main, I guess. I need to check the name of the parameter. Color. Okay. This is like the replacement, old function, kind of deprecated. So I try to avoid casts right now. So I changed these parameters with my interface. And 2. The same goes here, but right now we will take this value. Again duplicate, so I will take what? Get call parameter. Why? Yes. Color. And this goes here and here. And that's it. Now this thing has connection to my custom value. The only thing we have left to place these to the data table, set yes has custom data, color. Okay, input it something like this. And you know what? Right now this is temporal thing. I need to place this thing copy to another object. Street light 2 custom parameters color. That's it. If we play test this thing, this will work. Like probability 99%. So we have like the first gears, the second nothing, and the third gears as well. And these gears, it's why? What? Why it's light color? First of all, this is not working, so the one chance we got like 1% chance. Light row 3, light row 2, light row 2, color, custom values, copy color. No. Light 2, light 2. This is so weird. Why it's... This is interesting thing to investigate. Why it's take the parameters from the preset 1, not the 3. Okay, next thing. Human main. I also want to set the movement rate to rotation. Orient rotation. This is for the AI. And disable this thing, I guess, on the player. Yes. Player main. Player main. Movement, orient, rotation, disable. And you know what? I want to know how the metahuman will work. Characters. Do I have like the memory leak? Yes, I do. I have 65 megabytes on the C drive. Oh my god. I'm not sure why this happening, but it's happening every time when I got like the browser opened. So maybe I will make a coffee and be right back. And right now I can play the review trailer. Be right back soon. Curious about what this game is and who made it? Let me tell you all about it. Hello, my name is Sergey and my brother's name is Alexander. We are indie game developers and we are creating a game called Lipozhdian Vibe. This is our a dream project and we are really excited to share about it with you. Lipozhdian Vibe is an immersive simulator inspired by synthwave and 80s aesthetics. And in this game, really the creativity and freedom come first. For example, want to relax? We have a sandbox game mode with really no objectives and limits. Craving action? Jump into classic shooter game modes with dynamic combat. Love racing? Organize arcade-style races with your friends. Team up with players. Dive into social dynamics. Solve challenges. Outsmart your rivals. That's not all. Lipozhdian Vibe lets you create your own worlds. We have a built-in map editor, modding support, and even a programming language, so you can bring your ideas to life right in the game. Lipozhdian Vibe is a game where you can customize everything to your liking. The interface style, the atmosphere, the vehicles, and even the game rules. And best of all, it supports VR and multiplayer. You can not only play, but also create unique sessions with your friends. And you know what's the best part? The game is free. No microtransactions. It's our gift to everyone who loves creative freedom. But to keep the project growing, we need your support. We are completely independent developers with no investors. The entire game was created out of pure passion. If you'd like to help us, consider subscribing to our Patreon or Boosty. Your contribution will help us add new content, improve the game, and grow the community. This is just the beginning. If you like the idea, tell your friends, share this video, or support us on a Patreon or Boosty. Every step you take is a huge help for us. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in Leopoldin Vibe. Bye. I'm back. So how's the memory leak? Still not well, so this is somewhere the cache. Okay, 269. Just replace these static meshes with blueprints. Oh. So yes, the lumens, they are different now. I remember this map was not so bright. I came to grab these actors. These my old sketches. So I will take my coffee. Okay, so I take these things from here. Put them here. Okay, 550, 50. Yes, 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 yes. So I have what I got. So these things, the wipe assistant, we will build these things. These cubes, they are kind of the platforms. You can step on it, and after this certain period of time, they disappear. And you can basically jump. Use them to jump to somewhere here. And here, I will put the graviton. So the specific item which allows you to have like the low gravity. Yes, perfect. Spawn graviton item, pick up weapon graviton, copy, paste. So this is kind of like the reward. So this is like the jump pad. The player will learn that he can jump pad to this thing. Seven, seven, seven. Okay, 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 okay. Ads. Wow. Ads. Oh, are we okay? I create such a thing. So we are kind of will be like the explorers. So we can actually somehow can get there, but we can get there only use the gravitron. How can we get there? We can use these platforms. Let's find out. Ah, this thing is blocked by the quest. So let's cheat. We just simply leave us a loophole. What? What was that? My climbing is like super bad. What? Oh, what, 1000 and it's not enough? What is going on? Uh, a lot of things. I'm sorry for the mic. Or maybe actually we can stop the stream. Who knows? Are you guys and girls there? I'm just playing with values. Maybe I will find something interesting. Not sure, not sure. Let's see. Just curious. Who is us with us? I think we can actually end the stream, so I kind of the work I need to is to, like, I don't know, I'm not sure that this is like super exciting. I will think about the dialogues and build basically I'm gonna do the experiments with like design kind of the dialogue approach. How can I do this thing? Maybe we will end the stream here. We will go to some other game developer. We will read him. So what can I say? So for today I'm really was like super excited about, like, we got a lot of with us hanging out together. I'm super grateful, everybody. Really super grateful. Really, thank you very much. We kind of I feel like we did not very a lot on today's stream, but I'm anyway like super excited to be with you, to have this stream, and be with you next time, like Tuesday, really soon. So yes, I tried to rewrite this second quest. I don't know, like I need to think about more specifically what can I do, which the specific dialogue logic, and I need to think about how can I build this vibe. So we can play the advanced movement mechanics. So let player to have the sandbox. Yes. And hopefully we will get to the second quest. I also I will also give this project to my brother again. He has some cool new actors ideas. Probably he will start work with this map. Okay, so thank you for being with me. I will show you the end screen and we will raid to another developer. We will see you next time on Tuesday at the same time. Okay, bye.